Hi my friends, today we are going to do lesson 3. It is called two-letter blend. It is also called CV blend or consonant and vowel blend. But before we do that, let's quickly go through our sounds. Are you ready? Okay. So the sounds are A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! Now let's try to put a consonant and a vowel sound together like this. B and A makes ba. F and A makes fa. Let's see. B, A makes ba. B, E makes be. B, E makes b. B, O makes bo. B, A makes b. Good job! Now let's do this for all the consonants. Ba, be, bi, bo, ba. Da, de, di, do, da. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fa. Ga, ge, gi, go, ga. Ha, he, hi, ho, ha. Ja, je, ji, jo, ja. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. La, le, li, lo, la. Ma, me, mi, mo, ma. Na, ne, ni, no, na. Pa, pe, pi, po, pa. Qua, que, qui, quo, qua. Ra, re, ri, ro, ro. Sa, se, si, so, sa. Ta, te, ti, to, ta. Va, ve, vi, vo, va. Wa, we, wi, wo, wa. Za, ze, gzi, gzo, gz. Ya, ye, yi, yo, y. Za, ze, zi, zo, z. Good job! Now you practice all of the two-letter blends till you know them well. And we will meet in lesson 4 to see some cute little words made from 3-letter blends with short A sound. Bye for now. Take care.